Hello, this is Taylor with Rentals in SF, and this is a video tour of 2018 Fell Street. Okay, fantastic. Here we are at 2018 Fell. We are right on the Panhandle, Golden Gate Park Panhandle, and right at the edge of Golden Gate Park. Surrounding neighborhoods easily walkable are Alamo Square Park, Haight, Ashbury, Cole Valley, and Buena Vista. All right, here we are. As mentioned, we're right on the Panhandle, so you can easily run across the street on a nice day and throw out a blanket, play some frisbee, get some sun. Here we are on Fell Street. Fell Street is a busy street, but is on the park, which is great. Here is the front of the building. There this is the third floor walk up. There's an optional parking garage right there to the left. We'll take a look at that at the end. Let's go ahead and step up 3 units in the building. Okay, here is the front door. And you're going to notice that it has new carpet, all fresh new paint. It just absolutely looks fantastic. This is a top floor unit. So let's go ahead and ascend the staircase. Okay, that's looking towards Fell Street, the front of the building, and this is towards the rear. This is a full flat. It goes from the front to the back. And let's go ahead and start in the kitchen. All right, beautiful stainless steel appliances, gas range, dishwasher, undermount sink, solid surface countertops, built-in microwave to save countertop space, a beautiful little breakfast room right back here with a nice view. There is a beautiful shared backyard downstairs. We'll take a look at that in a moment. Just a really, really nice kitchen. This is the back door that leads to the back steps to the parking, the storage, and the backyard. Okay, what's really wonderful about this is there is in-unit washer dryers and a bit of a pantry or a laundry room, however you want to use it. Nice big stainless steel fridge. And let's go ahead and head into we're going to call this a bedroom, I guess. A nice size, 11.7 feet by 18.9 feet. Has a built-in hutch. Obviously, this could be a formal dining room. It does have a plate rail all the way around. This is really fun for displaying art, or I've seen people put small books on it. It's pretty charming. All right, let's just take a look at this. This is the light well between the two buildings. And the ceiling has a lot of nice beams and detail. And obviously beautiful hardwood floors. Okay, this would traditionally be called a fainting room, but since it does have a closet, I would consider it a bedroom. 8 feet wide, 13 feet long. Could be a great office. Two double hung windows let in plenty of natural light. And that's going to get the west exposure with those windows, by the way. This week's been a little gloomy in San Francisco, so we've had a really thick fog layer, but the sun will come out again. Okay, right across the hall, you're going to find a full bath, a tub, a shower combination, A white subway tile. Looks pretty fantastic. Lots of countertop space on the vanity there. All right, this bedroom has a skylight. It's also 8 feet wide and 13 feet long. And this is just a little window that leads to the stairwell. All right. This could be a bedroom and a gorgeous, gorgeous hardwood floors. There is a pocket door between these two rooms here, the living room and the bedroom. 11.8 feet by 11.8 feet, perfect square. Okay, nice size closet. And this has a quarter bath, meaning it just has a toilet. Okay, this is the living room, 11.8 feet by 18.1 feet. Pretty stunning, great view of the park. You'll see lots of people out and about and cycling and biking and picnicking on a nice sunny day. Obviously this room will pick up a little bit of street noise, but this high up I don't think it's going to be too much of an issue. Okay, this is a nice linen closet. And you have a final bedroom front facing, 11.8 feet by 15.1 feet. 3 double hung windows. And I'm pretty sure those are double pane windows to help with heat insulation and also noise reduction. All right, this one has a really nice sized closet. All right, there's a shared backyard. It's accessible down the back staircase or even the front staircase. There's a nice little shared table right there. And a little bit of a, I'm not sure what that is. I guess a heating device. Here is the backyard. Okie dokie. So that's the backyard. And just to let you know that trash recycling and compost are located down on this level right here. And this alleyway does lead to the street. So this is accessible through the front or through the back. So we'll go out the front to show you what that looks like. Okay, here we are on Fell Street. Great, let's take a look at the garage. The garage parking is optional, but if you were to take it, basically, you would basically see it right here. And also, you're allowed to block your own driveway, so ultimately, you're probably going to be able to park in front or have a guest park right in front of your driveway, and then this is what the garage looks like. These motorcycles will be removed, but I would say not appropriate for large SUVs, but anything else should fit just fine. And just FYI, there's storage down here, so it looks like you have paddleboard, surfboard, bicycle storage, And you also have a little bit of open shelving. It's not assigned, but certainly welcome to put some stuff down here on the shelving. Okay, that pretty much concludes our tour. I really appreciate you watching, and please check out our website for all up-to-date information, and best of luck in your home search. Thank you.